today we're going to talk all about patterns. We're going to talk about continuing patterns. Now, as we know, a repeating pattern is something that has a part that repeats again and again and again. Our learning intention today is we are learning to copy, continue, and describe different patterns. Our success criteria is I can read the pattern from the beginning, I can copy the pattern correctly, I can find the repeating part, I can describe the pattern, I can work out what comes next. So you can show me that you are successful in learning how to continue patterns by doing all of those things. Let's start with an easy one. The first thing we need to do is we need to read the pattern, just like we're reading a book. So we start on the left-hand side and let's read it together. Are you ready? Flower, tree, flower, tree, flower, tree. Well done. The next thing we need to do is find the repeating part. The repeating part is the part that repeats over and over again. I bet you already know what it is. We've got flower and tree, and then flower and tree again. So flower tree is the part that repeats. Can you describe the pattern? We've got flower, tree. So flower is the first thing. We're going to name that one A. Tree is the second thing. We're going to name that B. We've got A, B, A, B, A, B. Well done. What comes next? This is the part we're focusing on today. What comes next in the pattern? Let's read it again from the beginning. A, B, A, B, A, B. What do you think comes next? You're right, A. So we're going to put another flower. Flower, tree. Flower, tree. Excellent job. Now, we need to finish on flower tree, otherwise the pattern won't be complete. It will be called a non-pattern. So, have we finished on flower tree? Yes, we have. Well done, we got it right. Now, let's try a new pattern. We've got, let's read it from the beginning. Are you ready? Lily pad, frog, frog. Lily pad, frog, frog, lily pad. Can you see the repeating part? That's right. It's lily pad, frog, frog. That's the part that repeats over and over again. Can you see that we've got an extra lily pad? We can't circle another repeating part because we don't have frog, frog on the end. It's just the lily pad. Now, can we describe the pattern? We've got lily pad, frog, frog. So that will be, have a think, A, B, B. Well done. It's an A, B, B pattern. It ends on an A, doesn't it? So it's a non-pattern at the moment. We need to work out what comes next. Let's go back and read it again. Lily pad, frog, frog. Lily pad, frog, frog. Lily pad. That's right. Frog, frog. And lily pad, frog, frog. We finished our pattern. We need to make sure we finish on lily pad, frog, frog. Excellent job. All right, now it's your turn to join in. I would like you to go outside and see if you can find 8 leaves, 8 sticks, and 8 rocks. While you're doing this, just click the pause button in the video and then press play when you've found your sticks, rocks, and leaves. See you soon. Okay, now that you've got your sticks, rocks, and leaves, we're going to look at the pattern on the screen. We've got leaf, stick, rock, leaf, stick, rock, leaf. So well done, you've read the pattern. Now, can we find the repeating part? What's the part that repeats again and again? Yep, leaf, stick, rock. So what kind of pattern is it? Let's give it a name. It's an A, B, C pattern. Now we've got to work out what comes next. So what you need to do is make the pattern in front of you. You're going to make leaf, stick, rock, leaf, stick, rock, leaf. Can you make it in front of you? You can press pause and make it, and then press play again when you're finished. Alright, now that you've made the pattern, we need to work out what comes next. It's very important that we read the pattern from right over on the left-hand side so that we can continue the pattern on the correct element. If we don't read it from the start again, we might accidentally start on the wrong thing when we're continuing the pattern. Let's read it. Leaf, stick, rock. Leaf, stick, rock, leaf. Now pause the video and see if you can continue the pattern on. Remember that you need to end your pattern on leaf, stick, rock. Okay, hopefully you've made your pattern now, and let's see if you got it right. Leaf, stick, rock, leaf, stick, rock, leaf, stick, rock, leaf, stick, rock. Did you get it right? If you did, well done. If you didn't, no problem. Just pause the video and copy the pattern from the screen. All right, we've got one last pattern to do together. Are you ready? Let's read it. Stick, leaf, leaf, rock. Stick, leaf, leaf, rock. Stick, leaf. All right, first of all, we need to work out what the repeating part is. Can you see it? We've got stick, leaf, leaf, rock. That part repeats over and over again, so that's the repeating part of our pattern. Can you describe the pattern? We've got 3 different elements. We've got stick, leaf, and rock. So it's going to be A for the stick, B for the leaves, C for the rock. A, B, B, C, A, B, B, C, A, B. So now that we've described the pattern, I would love for you to copy it. So you're going to pause the video and I would like you to copy the pattern on the screen. Off you go. Now that you've copied the pattern, it's time to work out what comes next. So pause the video again and I would like you to read it from the beginning on the left-hand side and then continue on. Make sure you finish on A, B, B, C, which is stick, leaf, leaf, rock, so that it will be a pattern and not a non-pattern. Okay, pause the video, off you go. Okay, hopefully you've finished making your pattern now. What comes next? Let's read it from the beginning. Stick, leaf, leaf, rock. Stick, leaf, leaf, rock. Stick, leaf. Then we've got leaf, rock. And stick, leaf, leaf, rock. Did you get it right? Well done. Remember, if you made a mistake, no problem. You can just copy it from the screen and have another try. Thanks for patterning with me today. You might like to use your sticks, rocks and leaves to make your own patterns now. See if you can make some really tricky ones. Excellent work everyone. See you next time.